Hey guys, Robert Cash. Just wanted to introduce our team build with the Crypto Builder system real quick. Um, Want to give you a heads up because I already have hundreds that have joined, and soon I'll have hundreds, if not thousands, that'll be joining. And don't let anyone tell you different. That it's about four things that result in your success online, if not seven things. Four things are timing, positioning, the program itself, and then taking action. Those are the four biggies. The other three is being on a team with a system, and then lots of training and even co-ops to get you paid members. So those are let me get my numbers right, the seven biggies for success online. If you don't know me, Robert Cash, MBA graduate, been in sales and marketing for 30 years. I'm going to do a quick presentation of our team build and the Crypto Builder program. Show you a quick back office, maybe a couple, two or three back offices. I have 3 or 4 or 5 positions in the company. You can buy multiple positions in the company. But let's jump right in. I wanted to get to the, here's the website that everyone gets when they join our team to help you share the opportunity. And then you just click get started. We put a video on there to help people get started. The other thing that I wanted to share with you is our presentation. We have Zooms 7 days a week, so make sure that you connect with me and I can get you a Zoom invite for tonight. It's 9 o'clock Eastern, Monday through Friday and Sunday, and then Saturday is 1 p.m. Eastern. But you can see here, welcome to the presentation. We really blend crowdfunding and affiliate marketing together in our presentation. I won't spend too much time on these slides. You come to the Zoom and I get a little bit more into it. There's me, right? 30 years experience, MBA graduate, 16 years in the payment software business, putting my 3 children through college, but over 3 years now in the crypto space, and I build huge teams online with automated systems and team builds. Everyone knows what Bitcoin is all about. It has, all those characteristics. It's a digital asset. It's an online currency for the most part. I did highlight that because most of your ICOs aren't really an online currency. Bitcoin's the closest, but you can't spend Bitcoin everywhere. You have to convert it. But it does have the blockchain network, which is very unique and very powerful. And that's why a lot of the major companies, corporations, and financial institutions, governments are leveraging the blockchain as we speak. Most of the college degrees in software engineering getting hired into companies are being assigned to work on blockchain and in a lot of big, important financial companies and software companies. Why did I create it? I solved the 2 biggest problems online, folks. I think you know these problems, and every single person you talk to has these problems for the most part. Problem 1 is no one really has the money to make money. Do you need money to make money? Absolutely. The more money you have, the more money you can make, or we show you with our team build system how you can leverage as little as $20 into 100,000 in Bitcoin through team leverage. And it's possible, because I'll be showing you over the next few months of me making that money, and you'll be like, yeah, wow, I should have joined them when I had the chance. Problem number 2, not being able to recruit or sponsor, unfortunately or fortunately, however you want to look at it. Part of the issue is when people come online, 80 to 90% of the people on the planet don't like to sell or market, but the only way to make money is to sell and market. How do you get around that? You get them to join a team system that does it, pretty much all of it for them while they learn. So they earn while they learn. Why are we unique? We blend all the beautiful things online: affiliate marketing, crowdfunding, profit sharing, and with crypto. And we have the Crypto University, where I teach people how to become a crypto entrepreneur. You get a website, private group for ad juicing, your own replicated page. Here's real quick about the program. Super hot right now, going viral, founded by Hans Jordan, who's really recognized as a Bitcoin legend online. His last program had 400,000 members. It has about 14,000 right now, folks. Crypto Builder. You may want to get in now and get with our team, because like I said, I'm going to be bringing in hundreds, if not thousands of people. Here's how the pay structure looks. It's a real simple 2x6. Start with 20 bucks, make as much as 219,000. Now, income disclaimers, results not typical, guaranteed in any of this. But this is just showing the potential for illustrative purposes. The one beautiful thing that I really love about this program, it's right in the middle in bold, fully automated system. Automated upgrades, automated withdrawals right to your Bitcoin wallet. I'll show you real quick my back office. Here's my back office summary. Here's what I've earned just in the last 6 days. And let me move this. These are the withdrawals completed right here. This is just one position. I have 2 or 3 others. You can see here it's only 2,200 members. My bad. Maybe I said it was something a little higher than that, but 2,200 members is going to probably be 50 to 60,000 by the end of March. All right, let's go back here. Now and then real quick on the coming soon, they're really going to be rolling out 2 more matrices on top of the $20 matrix. There's going to be a $100 matrix and a $500 matrix. So earning potential is just astronomical. Hold on 1 second. I want to just kind of hide that back office and put the coins back up on the right and left there. It looks pretty sick. Also, what very unique with our team, there's a paid member co-op. The one thing with Crypto Builder, you do need one personal paid member to qualify to get withdrawals. Hans is pretty smart that way. He wants people to go out and actually share and build a business. That's how you make money online. But we actually help you get your paid members. You join for 20 bucks, you pay 20 bucks for the co-op, we get you a paid member, you're qualified to earn, and you get automated withdrawals right to your wallet. So that's pretty much all I had on that. Crypto Builder, super hot, so I wanted to get this out on the wire. This will be going on my Facebook following and my YouTube. Like I said, we have about 150 on our team. We just started about 7 days ago. It's perfect timing. I'm going to be bringing in hundreds. There'll probably be 1,000 people alone just on my team by the end of March, and they can all be under you, paying you automated Bitcoin payments. So that's all I had. Peace. Robert Cash. We'll talk to you very soon.